These are 5 mistakes I wish I knew as a beginner drummer. Mistake number 5 is made by almost every beginner drummer. You could be one of them. So, stay till the end to find it out. We will start with the most commonly made mistake, not practicing on metronome. Now, this is a mistake most beginners make while practicing. Using metronome not only builds your tempo, also makes you a better drummer for the future. So, to build your tempo, practice on metronome. Mistake number 2, not focusing on rudiments. Guys, if you want to play chops like a pro, then you'll have to practice the basics, especially the rudiments. No, not all the 999 million quadrillion rudiments. Practice just the basic stuff like the singles, doubles, paradiddles, flams, six-stroke rolls, etc. Practicing and mastering these basic rudiments will not only improve your chops, you can even build chops yourselves. Now, before we get further, I need you to look at this. I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks at once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times, by Bruce Lee. This is mistake number 3, trying to master everything at once. Now, I'm not saying don't learn. I'm saying learn everything, but perfectly. Most beginners don't pay attention to their basics and try to learn new songs instead. See, drum basics is a base for you to stand on. If you make your bass weak, you'll fall. And if you make your bass stronger by practicing all the basic stuff, then you'll be able to go higher. So build it step by step perfectly. Now, this is where most of the beginner drummers make a huge mistake, focusing on speed rather than technique. Now, most drummers think being able to play faster makes them cool, but no. I mean, yeah, it makes you cooler, but focusing on speed rather than technique is a huge mistake. Now, if you want to learn more about increasing your speed, then check out this video where I give you 3 simple steps to improve your speed. Anyways, speed is actually proportional to technique. Simply put, your speed actually depends on your hand technique. So focus on technique to increase your speed. Now, the last and the most commonly made mistake which every beginner drummer should ignore is... But before that, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Mistake number 5, no dynamics. Now look at these 2 videos and tell me which one was better to listen. Here, video A had no dynamics, everything was of the same amplitude, where video B had dynamics creating a vibe from the beat. Now, dynamics adds the emotion, the vibe, which helps you connect with the people with the beat. So improve your dynamics for better vibe. So these were 5 commonly made mistakes that every beginner drummers make. So if you're a beginner drummer, make sure not to make these mistakes and keep practicing. Bye bye.